Hi, in today's big tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete all the messages or how to delete your messages on Tinder application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download the Tinder application. So if you don't have that on your phone, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So first of all, after opening your Tinder or after launching your application, of course that will be your home screen. You can't match or like decline people here. So you would like to go and navigate or head up to your profile by clicking at the top left corner here. And of course you would like to complete this to 100%. So if I click here on edit profile, of course, as you can see here, I'll get 4% to every picture I add here. So make sure to add a 9 picture. And of course, you would like to complete anything with some percentage here. So as you can see, you should look complete this about me and those other stuff like this, and this, and you'll be actually you'll actually have this 100%. Then all you need to do, just go back and head up to your messages. So by clicking at your icon or the icon of messages at the bottom right corner. So as you can see here, for me, I have 0 matches because my account is just new. But if you do have actually matches and you have some conversations here, so unfortunately, first, you cannot delete individual messages on Tinder. However, you can remove entire conversation by unmatching someone. So when you unmatch someone, you will disappear from their match list and they will disappear from yours, and the messages will be gone for good. So that will be actually for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.